What Never Was is a song that was also inspired by a really good friend and a conversation that I had with her. I think we all have those friends that we can call when we're upset and they'll cry with us, and there'll be a shoulder that we can lean on. And we also have those friends that will give us a swift kick in the pants when we need it, and tell us to just keep our chin up and keep moving on. And I have a really good friend like that. I call her my personal sunshine because she's just always looking at the bright side and encourage her. But she tells me to put my chin up and hold my head high. In our friendship, she has walked alongside of me through a couple different relationships. And after one would end, she would always encourage me and say, well, now you're one closer to the right one. And so What Never Was is a positive song about being thankful for the end of a relationship and being thankful for heartbreak, because that just means that now you're one step closer to the right one.